Hi, this is Roxy and welcome back to Papercraft Central. There's been a lot of discussion about lifestyle brushes and which ones are best, so I thought I would show you what I use. I have used contour makeup brushes for nearly 2 years now to blend my inks. These were the first ones that I have been using and they're brilliant. They are really, really good. These different ones here I found in a discount store. Here in Australia we've got Kmart. And this is where I first came across these different contour makeup brushes. Now these have worked really, really well. They blend excellently. The only problem was that I couldn't buy a lot of them because they were very popular. So I could never get the quantity that I wanted. In a makeup salon, I found these brushes and they're in a box of 6 different sizes for $30. And I thought that was a great price. The different sizes allowed me to use them for different things. I was really ecstatic to find these brushes on Amazon, both here in Australia and on the American site as well. These worked out at $13.03 for Australian for a set of 10 brushes. You just can't beat that price. Now I want to emphasise that I have not used picket fences brushes, so I'm not comparing them. But at near $100 Australian, I just don't have the funds to try them. And seeing these brushes work beautifully, I don't need to. Now, I hope this doesn't offend anyone, but as soon as you label an item with the word craft, the price skyrockets ridiculously high, and yet I can get quite annoyed that this happens. Anyway, I'm putting away my soapbox now. Let me show you how these cheap brushes work. So I'll just put these to the side. I'm going to get a piece of cardstock. I'm going to pop it down on my mat here. Up. And just so you know, I'm using repositional tape. This doesn't hurt my cardstock at all. Okay, so the biggest thing with these is, yes, you can see that the handles are quite bendy and it wouldn't take much to snap them if you were going to use them at the base, holding it at the base of the handle. But we're not going to do that. We're not doing this. What you need to do with these brushes is hold them like this, putting your finger on the head of the brush, and that's where the pressure is going to decide whether you're going to do a subtle colour or a deep colour. So in this corner, I'm just going to do a subtle colour and just do a nice soft blend. Now I will show you up to the camera better when I finish. Unfortunately with the light, you can't see it very well at the moment, but you will when I hold it up. Down in this corner, I'm going to do a deep blend. So here again, I'm putting my finger on the head of the brush and just going to go over and over until I have that nice deep blend that I'm after. Now when you blend different colours together, they just work so well. They make the job quicker. They're even better than the other makeup brushes I use. But I'm going to show you the difference between a subtle look and a very intense look, just so you get to know that you can do both with these. Alright, so here I'm going to just lift up this here so that you can see. Now, this one is the intense look. So I'll just see if I can focus that in for you. And then here is the subtle. Now, if I just quickly turn this light off for you, you will get a better look at it. So here we have the two different blends. We've got the subtle, nice and light, and then we've got the more intense. So, and then when we take our tape off, and you can reuse this tape over and over again. It's reusable until it stops being sticky. When it stops holding your cardstock down, that's when you'll get a new piece. So it's very economical. So if I turn that round the right way, so the way I did it, again, here's the subtle. Look at it, isn't it just gorgeous? and the deep. I can't emphasize enough how these brushes work beautifully and that you don't have to spend a whole heap of money to get this effect. So I hope this helps. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye.